Welcome, today I'm with E63S AMG and I will show you how you can change your seat position. So when you take a look on the doors on the right and also on the left one, you got a few buttons that you can push. So as you can see, by the way, it looks the same like our seat. And take a look. Here we got the few default settings. So for example, when I'm going to press 1, 2, or 3, take a look right here. I'm going to press 3, for example. And as you can see, our seat is changing position automatically. We can also test the second option. And as I said before, it's just the default settings. If you want to change it manually, then you have to press these buttons just like that. Now this one. And as you can see, it works the same on the both doors. So basically it's very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.